This is a CountyLine Catch-and-Release 24-inch quick set animal trap that I picked up from Tractor Supply today. And for undisclosed reasons, we are going to be trying to trap some live rats and relocate them. The rats have taken up residence in our chicken coop, or the pen, I guess, the chicken pen, and we're seeing them in there every night. And we would just prefer that they're not there. They're making their way into the hen house occasionally as well. So we're gonna set this up tonight and see if we can catch some rats to relocate them. So there's instructions here, but to set this up, we have to lift the trap door. So we have to lift this little lever here. I'm gonna do it with one hand. Push the spring forward, lift the door like so, and then this long arm here is connected to a little latch that you push forward and then let the door spring drop a little bit, and that spring tension is going to hold the door in place. We have the little bait plate there, so we'll put a little bait on it later for the rats, to entice the rats in. And then once the rats go in, they'll touch that bait plate, spring the door closed, rats will be in there. So I'll post more of me setting it up and hopefully catching some rats tonight. Setting the trap up in the chicken coop tonight. I was meaning to get it out here before nightfall, but had some competing priorities, so it didn't happen. I am going to drop some dried cranberries in here, kind of on the trap door, just to kind of provide them with something different, maybe a sweet treat that they would be interested in. Since I know that they like the chicken feed, I'm also just going to drop a bunch of that back in there. And we will leave that set up here and see what happens. The hole that they're coming out of is right here primarily. So we will leave that here for a little bit. It should be about this time of night that they start being active, so we'll see if it works quickly and we can catch a rat before too long. Okay, there you go. You can see that this trap caught the rat. I have no reason to think that it could not happen again. And if you're needing to catch and release some animals, rats, squirrels, anything like that, I would recommend this product. Thanks for watching.